Hey everyone, this is Mike Adams, and on this channel we empower individuals to achieve freedom through improved financial literacy. So what is financial literacy? Okay, it's a well-known fact, and when it comes to finance and when it comes to money, okay, more specifically, most people are never taught anything about money. Okay, what are we taught in schools, right? We're taught the Pythagoras theorem, right? And how important, that triangle actually is to our everyday life. But when it came to things like balancing your checkbook, right? Or about how to pay off your loans and get out of debt, there's not a lot of education about that. So for me, after spending time in the military, after transitioning into corporate America and having actually a long career in corporate, 18 years, in the corporate grinder, working my way up, we thought that we were doing everything right. My wife and I, we went to school, we got the good grades, we got the degrees. Again, I was in the service, and we got great jobs and worked our way up. But the bottom line is we were broke and buried in debt and living paycheck to paycheck, and we didn't understand why. And it wasn't until we started seeking out information on our own about money and understanding why are we working 60, 70, 80 hours a week. We're making well over six figures, but yet we're broke. Okay, it didn't make sense. And so my wife and I wanted to figure it out. And we got connected to a group of business owners and real estate investors, and it completely changed our life. And it changed the way that we think, not only about money, but about finance, but about business, but about the economy in general. And so over the past 5 years, my wife and I have been able to break the shackle of corporate America. We were able to get out of our jobs, and we have been running our own business, 90% of the time out of our home. And really, it's because of a few simple concepts that, again, in public schools, they don't teach us this stuff. When, in the military, they didn't teach us anything about, getting out of debt or taxes or interest or insurance. But these are things that you have to deal with every single day in your life. So it's time to help people understand more about these items. Because if you understand how all of these tools work, you can achieve financial freedom. And it doesn't matter where you're at right now. It doesn't matter if you're rich right now. It doesn't matter if you're at the bottom of the barrel right now and you're broke and buried in debt and have bad credit. There are steps that you can take, okay, to improve your situation. And from there, take that next step in life and move towards building long-term wealth for you and your family. So I'm excited to take you guys on this journey. So make sure to click subscribe, click the bell, so that way you get notified on any and all of our future trainings. And I look forward to helping you and your family achieve financial freedom.